As Jesus and his friends walked along, someone said, I will follow you wherever you go. Jesus answered, foxes have dens and birds have nests, but the Son of Man has nowhere to rest his head. To another he said, follow me. But the man said, first let me bury my father. Jesus answered, let the dead take care of their own dead. You go and proclaim the kingdom of God. Another said, I will follow you, Lord, but first let me say goodbye to my family. Jesus said, no one who puts a hand to the plow and looks back is ready for the kingdom of God.
Follow me, said Christ the Lord. Walk with me and share my word. Foxes, birds have homes to stay, but I bring life another way.
Don't look back,
Don't delay. Jesus calls me now today. I will follow Jesus true. Give him all in what I do.
Hands to the plow, eyes ahead, walk the path where he has led. Some said, wait, I have my plans. Jesus said, put it in God's head.
the kingdom calls.
Jesus calls.
Time is now.
Time is now.
Come and follow. Make your vow.
Don't look back. Don't delay. Jesus calls me now today. Who do we follow? Jesus.
When do we go?
Now today.
Do we look back?
No way.
What do we say?
Yes, Lord, yes.
Hey!
I will follow Jesus true. Give him all in what I do.
No.
Jesus true.
Yeah!
Give him all in what I do.
Head to the plow. Hey!
Don't delay. Jesus calls me now today. I will follow Jesus true. Give him all in what I do.
Jesus, help me follow you with my whole heart. Without excuses, without delay.